In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn event. Now, I'm on my LinkedIn homepage. On the left-hand side, I actually see this option here to create an event. You can also go to see all of your past events and click create event this way. I'll put the direct link below this video to help you find it. So you want to go ahead and add in your event details. So I'm going to say this event is an external link. This is our LinkedIn challenge. I'm going to put the fourth annual LinkedIn challenge. It starts on the 24th and I'll say midnight and it goes through the 28th of midnight. The link is OnlineDrea.com/LinkedIn, and I'm going to put our description here. I don't have any other speakers here. The only thing I'm going to pause and add is our cover photo. All right, so photo is added. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. From here, you can type in a little paragraph to promote it on your timeline. All right, so I've got this that I actually posted on social media. So I'm going to go ahead and post it here and click post. So this should now go to my timeline. And then I can go ahead and invite connections to join this event. For now, I'm just going to invite my team so that you can see what that looks like. But you can see here's the event page, the link, the dates. People can add it to their calendar, and you can go ahead and continue to inviting people as you'd like to have more people involved with this event specifically. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at OnlineDrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done-for-you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at OnlineDrea.com/free. I'll see you there.